Question 9, taken from textbook Summative Exercise, Chapter 2, Question 8. So for this question, we need to find the approximate percentage change in y, where x changes from 4 by 2%. Right, so this is actually the fourth application in differentiation. Find the small changes or the approximation. Right, so for that application, we need to have these two formulas. Okay, so now to find the percentage change in y, let us use this formula. Okay, and so we need to have these two values, delta y and y. Okay, in order to find the percentage change of y. Right, so let's focus on delta y. So how do we find this? Okay, we can use the first formula, delta y over delta x approximately equal to dy over dx. Okay, so let us use this formula. Okay, and let me move delta x to the other side. Okay, reason is because to find delta y, we need to have these two things, dy over dx and also delta x. So dy over dx we need to obtain by differentiating the original equation, which is this. Okay, so let us differentiate the equation first. So this square root x, let me move to the top, and here will become x minus 1 over 2. Then we differentiate. Here means our power will move to the front. Okay, so there will be a negative 1 over 2 in front, then the power I minus 1. So here will be minus 3 over 2. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second one is delta x, which is the small change in x. So here what we see is x changes from 4 by 2%. So since this percentage, right, is a positive 2, so this means this x will increase from 4 by 2%. Okay, so to find the small change, very easy, just multiply the two values, 4 multiplied by 0.02, then you'll get the changes in x. Okay, so we just multiply these two values together, and for the x here, let us substitute the original value, which is 4. Okay, then we'll get our answer, negative 0.005. And for the y here, so y here is the original value of y. But in this question, we don't have the original value of y. But we do have the original value of x, which is a clue for us to find y. Because if we know the original value of x and we substitute inside this equation, technically we can get the original value, right? So this one, we substitute 4 inside this equation, and then we will get y is 1 over 2. So calculate this thing, it will become negative 1%. So this means when x changes positively by 2%, y will decrease by 1%.